Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. All of you, have you completed your homework? All of you, did you completed your yesterday homework? Okay, I hope you have completed because you are good children, yes? Okay. In the last class we have studied ascending and descending order. Is that no ma? In the last class we have studied ascending and descending order. What is the Tamil meaning for ascending order? What is the Tamil meaning for ascending order? Eiru varisai. Okay. What is the Tamil meaning for descending order? What is the Tamil meaning for descending order? Irangu varisai. Okay. Eiru varisai. மற்றும் இறங்கு வரிசை. Ascending order and descending order. How did you arrange the numbers in ascending order? In ascending order, numbers are written in the order starting from the smallest number to the greatest number. Okay. Descending order means in descending order the numbers are written in the order starting from the greatest number to the smallest number. Okay. Then writing the numbers from the smallest to the greatest, it is called ascending order. Writing the numbers from the greatest number to the smallest, it is called descending order. Okay. How would you write the given numbers in ascending order? If they are given some sets of numbers means how would you arrange? Ascending order means we have to arrange the small number to big number. Descending order means we have to arrange it big number to small number. Okay. To arrange we begin with the highest place. That is 2-digit numbers mean we have to see the tens place. Okay. 3-digit number means hundreds. 4-digit number means thousands place. Okay mama. In this class we will study about odd and even numbers. Okay. In this class we will study about odd and even numbers. Okay. E-V-E-N, even, A-N-D and O-double-D, odd, N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers, even and odd numbers. Okay. ஒற்றைப்படை மற்றும் இரட்டைப்படை எண்கள். Okay மாமா. Even numbers means இரட்டைப்படை எண்கள். Odd numbers means ஒற்றைப்படை எண்கள். Okay. Even and odd numbers. Even numbers means இரட்டைப்படை எண்கள். Odd numbers means ஒற்றைப்படை எண்கள். Okay. Odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It is called odd numbers. Okay mama. The numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are called odd numbers. At the same time, the numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are called even numbers. Okay. Even numbers and odd numbers. Okay. Shall we write the explanations? Okay. E-V-E-N, even, N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. Okay. Even numbers. Write it here. T-H-E-D, N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers, E-N-D-I-N-G, ending, W-I-T-H, with, the numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. A or E or C-A-L-L-E-D, called E-V-E-N, even, numbers, numbers. Okay, even numbers. The numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are called even numbers. Okay, Mama, even numbers means the numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, some example: 12. 12 is the even number or odd number? 12 is the even number or odd number? 12 is ending with 2. Yes. The numbers ending with 2 means it is called even number. Okay, Mama. The numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are called even numbers. Now the 12 is ending with 2. So this is called even number. So this is called even number. Okay. 68. 10. These numbers are called even numbers. These numbers are called even numbers. Then odd number. O-double-D, odd. N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. Odd numbers. Okay. The numbers N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. E-N-D-I-N-G, ending. W-I-T-H, with 1, 3, 5, 7 are 9. A or E or C-A-L-L-E-D, called. O-double-D, or N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. Example 31, 67, 55. Okay. Even and odd numbers. Even numbers means the numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are called even numbers. Even numbers means இரட்டைப்படை எண்கள். Okay, Mama. Example, then odd numbers means the numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are called odd numbers. This is the differentiation for even and odd numbers. Okay. Do you understand? Now all of you take your class work note. Now all of you take your max note. Take new page. Class work. Then you should write today's day and date. Okay, Mama, you should write it here, today's day and date. Then you start to write even and odd numbers. Even and odd numbers. Open your mouth. Say and write. Write neatly. Okay. Take new page and write neatly. Write neatly even and odd numbers. Even and odd numbers. Even numbers. E-V-E-N, even. N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. even numbers. The numbers ending with THED, NUM, BERS numbers, EN, DING ending, WITH with 0, 2, 4, 6, ORR 8, A or E or CALLED called, even numbers, EVEN even, NUM BERS numbers, even numbers. Example 12, 68, 10. 12, 68, 10. Odd numbers. Odd numbers. THED, NUM BERS numbers, ENDING ending, WITH with 1, 3, 5, 7, ORR 9, A or E or CALLED called, ODD or NUM BERS numbers. The numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are called odd numbers. Example 31, 67, 55. 31, 67, 55. All of you have written, children? All of you have written? Okay, I hope you have completed. Now listen. Shall we see the next one? Listen. Close your note. Listen. WRITE, right? ALL, all. EVEN, even. NUM BERS, numbers. BETWEN, between. Write all even numbers between 61 and 99. Now we have to write the all even numbers. Now you have to write all even numbers between 60 and 98. Okay va? இப்போ நம்ம என்ன ரைட் பண்ண போறோம்? 60 to 98 குள்ள இருக்கிற even numbers எல்லாம் என்ன செய்யணும்? ரைட் பண்ணனும் one by one. Okay, write all even numbers between 60 and 98. Shall we start to write? Okay, 61 is the even number or odd number? Then 60. Yes, now they are given 60. You have to write next one. Okay, 61. 61 is the odd number or even number? 61 is ending with 1. Yes, the numbers ending with 1 means it is called odd number, so we no need to write. Okay, then 62 is the even number or odd number? 62 is the even number or odd number? 62 is the even number. Then 63 is the even number or odd number? 63 is a odd number, so we no need to write. Okay, then you write it here 64, then 66, next 68, then 70. Okay, 62, 64, 66, 68 and 70 is the even number. Then 70 after 71. 71 is the even number or odd number? Odd number, so you no need to write. Okay, then write 72, 74, 76, 78 and 80. Next 82, 84, 86, 88 and 90. Then 92, 94, 96 and 98. Okay Mama? Even numbers means the numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, see it here 2, 4, ending with 4, ending with 6, ending with 8, ending with 0, ending with 2, ending with 4, ending with 6, ending with 8 and 0. Okay, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 la mudinjichina, that is called even number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 la mudinjichina, that is called odd number. Okay, then see the next one. W or ITE, write ALL or ODD or NUMBERS numbers. BETWEEN between 61 and 99. Okay, so shall we start from 61? Okay, 61. Then 62 is the even number or odd number? 62 is the even number, so we no need to write here. Okay, 61. Then 63, 65, 67 and 69. Then 70 is the even number, so don't write. 71, 73, 75, 77, 79. Then no need to write 80, then 81, 83, 84 is the even number, 85 is the odd number, 86 is the even number, 87 is the odd number, 88 is the even number, 89 is the odd number, 90 is the even number, 91 is the odd number, 92 is the even number, 93 is the odd number, 94 is the even number, 95 is the odd number, 96 is the even number, 97 is the odd number. Then 98 is the even number, 99 is the odd number. Okay, Vama? Do you understand? Even numbers means we have to write the even numbers only. Odd numbers means you should write compulsory the odd numbers only. Even numbers means the numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are called even numbers. Odd numbers means the numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are called odd numbers. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Shall we see the next one? Okay. In this class, we have to study the another one topic. Okay, we are going to study the another one topic. The topic is comparing of numbers. Okay, this is the second topic, comparing of numbers. COMPARING, comparing. OFF, numbers. Comparing of numbers. Okay, you have to compare the numbers in three different ways. The first one is, what is this symbol? What is this symbol? Greater than. Okay, Mama, what is this symbol? Greater than. GREATER, greater. THAN, then. Greater than. Okay, what is this symbol? Greater than symbol. The next one, less than. What is this symbol? Less than symbol. LESS, less. THAN, then. Less than. This is greater than and this one is less than. Then equal to. EQUAL, equal. TO2, equal to. Okay, comparing of numbers. The first one is greater than, this is less than and equal to. This symbol is called equal to. Okay, use. THE, the. SYMBOLS, symbols. Greater than, less than or equal to. Okay, greater than, less than or equal to. Comparing of numbers, it is three types of comparing: greater than, less than or equal to. Okay, however, the greatest number is written first and the symbol used is greater than. Okay, to compare we begin with the highest place. The greatest number is written first and the symbol used is greater than. Okay, otherwise you have to use the less than symbol. Okay, the greatest number is in first place means we have to write the greater than symbol. Otherwise we have to use the less than symbol. Okay, now see it here. 400, 743, 743. Okay, see it here. Ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. The highest place value is 100. The highest place is 100. So we have to find the hundreds place value. 4 and 7. Okay, here the greatest number will come means we have to use the greater than symbol. Otherwise the difference. Okay, this is one set of number, this is another one. So we have to write the less than symbol. So you have to use the less than symbol. How do you read this one? How do you read this one? 400 is less than 743. Okay, 400 is less than 743. Then see the next one. 86, 34. 86 and 34. 86 is the two-digit number. 34 is also a two-digit number. The highest place is tens. Yes, ones, tens, ones, tens. The highest place value is tens. Okay, so we have to see the tens place. 8, 3. Which is greater? 86 is the greatest number. The first. The greatest number is written in first means we have to use the greater than simple. Okay, Mama? The greatest number isn't written first. We have to use the greater than simple. Okay, otherwise we have to use the less than simple. Okay, do you understand? Then 54 and 54. Right hand side number is 54, left hand side number also 54. The number is same number, yes. So we have to use the equal to simple. So we have to use the equal to simple. Okay, Mama? This simple is called equal to. Okay. Then 639, 136. 639, 136. 3-digit number, 3-digit number. So the highest place is 100. 600, 100. Which is greater? 639 is the greatest number. The first number is the greatest number. So we have to use the greater than simple. So we have to use the greater than simple. Okay. The next one. 744, 744, then 901, 744, 901, which is greater? 700, 900, which is greater? 900 is the greatest number. So we have to use the simple for less than. So we have to use the simple for less than. Do you understand, children? This is greater than simple and less than simple, then equal to. Okay, greater than means the first. Okay va, இதில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டில் கொடுத்துருக்கிற நம்பர் இந்த ஒரு டேஷ் மாதிரி கொடுத்துருக்காங்களா, இதுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டில் கொடுத்துருக்கிற நம்பர் பெருசாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்? கிரேட்டர் தென் சிம்பிள் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். அதே இந்த பக்கம் இருக்கிற நம்பர், இந்த சைடு இருக்கிற நம்பர் வந்து பிக்காக இருந்துச்சுன்னா we have to use the less than simple. ஓகேவாம்மா? தென் ரெண்டு சைடு நம்பரும் சேமாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா we have to use equal to simple. Equal to simple. Okay, do you understand? Do you understand, children? Okay, now all of you open your max note. Open your max note, take new page and write this heading. Take new page and write. Okay, Mama? All of you open your max note, take new page and write comparing of numbers. Write neatly comparing of numbers. COMPARING, comparing. OFRNUMBERS, numbers. Comparing of numbers. The first one is greater than. GREATER, greater. THAN, than, greater than. Less than. LESS, THAN, than, less than. Equal to. EQUAL, equal. TO2, equal to. greater than, less than and equal to. Greater than, less than and equal to. Then use the symbols. use, THED, SYM, BOLS. Symbols. Use the symbols. Greater than, less than or equal to. Greater than, less than or equal to. Write neatly. All of you have written? All of you have written, children? Open your mouth and say. Okay. Next. Today's homework. Today's homework. Write with me, okay? Write with me. Write beside homework. Write today's day and date, okay? WRITE, write. ALL, all. EVEN, even. NUM, BERS, numbers. BETWEEN, between. Write all even numbers between 0 to 50. Write all even numbers between 0 to 50, okay? WRITE, write. ALL, all. EVEN, even. NUM, BERS, numbers. BETWEEN, between 0 to 50. 0 to 50, okay? Write all even numbers between 0 to 50. You start from 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, like that you should write it here, okay? Then WRITE, write. ALL, all. Odd numbers. ODD, odd. NUM, BERS, numbers. BETWEEN, between 1 to 49. Write all even numbers between 0 to 50. Write all odd numbers between 1 to 49, okay? 0 to 50 and 1 to 49. You should write it here, even numbers and odd numbers, okay, Mama? Then take next page. Take next page. USE, use. THED, SYM, BOLS, simples, greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay, greater than, less than, or equal to. This is bracket. Okay, this is bracket. Use the symbols greater than, less than, or equal to. $840, $364, $700, $400, $340, $340, $684, $501, $70, $863, $481, $244, $606, $749, $380, $586, $109, $300, $300. Use the symbols greater than, less than, or equal to. Use the symbols greater than, less than, or equal to. 840, 364. Use the symbol to fill this one. Okay. Write neatly. All of you write neatly. Use your pencil to write and write neatly. Sit on place and write. Don't roaming here and there. All of you have written. Okay, very good. I hope you have understood this one. Next one, we will see the next class. Take care. Thank you, children. Bye.